So how easy is it to get an apartment in Vietnam? It's unbelievable easy, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Here in Vietnam, you can get apartments with cash. This particular apartment, I landed here from Hanoi at 7 in the morning. By 12 o'clock, I had a key and a lease. And stick around to the end because I'm gonna show you the receipts. You won't believe the price. So it goes like this. I have an agent, I call him up, shows me the place. I show up, like the place, I have cash. I give him cash, 1 month's rent, 1 month's deposit. He gives me a key, and then he gives me a lease. And then I move in later that afternoon. You show up with cash, you get an apartment. Nowadays, you've got a credit check, you've got a background history, you've got to verify all of this income that you got to scramble to figure out how you're gonna do. Yeah, here, simplified it, very easy. Now, about that receipt, that $300 does include housekeeping and laundry service. Yeah, you heard that right. And I'm sorry, I forgot one more thing. The Wi-Fi is free too. So $300 a month to live by the beach and the mountains in a pool in a beautiful city for $300. Not cooking, not cleaning, having free Wi-Fi. Now, if that sounds like something you might be interested in, click the cost of living playlist up on my profile. I've got tons of clips and even show you my crib, show you my food, show you my day-to-day. Because the reality of it is you can live a lot better for a lot less. Hit the follow button and join up. Peace and love, y'all. Peace and love. Got me a nice sized bathroom, little shower separator like that. Everything's squared away just like I like it, set up, ready to go. Got me a fridge, even a little cooking space. I can cook me up a little something, something. Air fryer is coming in today. Fresh coffee, let's go. Yeah, ready for the game. Let's go. Drake made ready to dominate. Got a little spot for my stuff. Got it organized, set up. Even set up a little spot with some water bottles and made some shelving for myself. Little rooftop view of the city. Nice sized room. Plenty of bed space. This is what $280 a month gets you.